What's up,
Hey
guys?
guys.
Welcome back to
Travel
Travel
and
and Fun. So today's video is after a long time, after Goa. In fact, this is the first time we are to a beach,
Yeah.
and that too in Denmark. Yeah.
So I feel so happy seeing the beach.
After Goa, yes, this is really satisfying because when we were in Goa, we were around 10 minutes, 15 minutes walk from the beach. You all know that.
Now we are 22 minutes drive from the beach.
Cycling, not
Cycling.
drive. Yeah. So we are around 22 minutes. It's around 6.8 kilometers from our place right now in Fredericksburg. So we came cycling and it was amazing. The cycling path and all was something different. Huh?
Yeah.
She felt it something different and it was good. Now we are at this beach called
Hellerup Port.
Hellerup Strand. So I think beach is called Strand here. So it's called Hellerup Strand. So we are at this place called Hellerup Beach. So it's amazing, guys. Actually, the beach itself is so
no
different
wave.
from India. Yeah.
Yeah, we will have more waves in our beaches. No, here there is no wave. It's like a river.
Exactly.
It's like a lake or something we could say.
No waves and anything. And we are right standing in front of a harbor where there are a lot of yachts kept in.
And it's so beautiful to see.
Amazing view. I'll be showing you some cinematic shots after this. Make sure you see that. It's amazing. And I think these yachts here are for renting, or I don't know if they are private ones. I'll have to
No, because
check
this is
that.
not for any commercial purpose because all are small ones.
Yeah, they're small.
Might be private yachts.
Could be private yachts. Yeah, could be. But we will know about that. We'll inquire about that. And there are some hotels and all, some good hotels and all, and people are really chilling out here on the beach. It's not
summer,
very in summer. Yeah, it's not very sunny. And if the water is cold or not, we'll let you know once we go to the beach. I think the water is here itself, but still we'll go to the beach and check out. And there are piers to go to the beach and all, so it's amazing. I mean, this place is really amazing. So, what say you guys? Would you like to see some cinematic shots? Let's go and watch it. Enjoy. So guys, we entered into the water. I mean, we didn't get in, but we just stepped in,
Yeah.
and it was hell cold.
It was very cold, and I really don't know how these people are taking a dip there.
Yeah, it's so cold. I mean, you literally cannot take a dip, at least for us. But I guess, like we are used to very salted water in India, they are used to very cold waters here. But it's actually very cold. Even though the temperatures in the day goes to around 24 degrees here, still the water is very
Water is
cold.
very cold.
I mean, you literally cannot jump right away. At least not me and her. We need some practice at home by bathing with really cold water, and then we have to come. Otherwise, you might catch up.
You'll get freeze.
Yeah, you will get freeze. You might catch up with cold and fever, I'm sure. But we don't know about the salinity of the water here.
Tiny kids are getting dipped.
Yeah.
No, it is not that much salty because our legs are not sticky.
Yeah, they're not sticky. And one thing is, it was so shallow. I mean, even Anu can get in. Yeah, so you can imagine. So she can literally step in and
Yeah,
walk in.
people are doing kayaking.
Yeah, they're doing kayaking, and even small children like around 6 to 8 years old, they're also getting into the sea, and they're able to stand very well, and the water is only up to here. And the main thing is there are no waves.
There are no waves.
No waves. It's not at all
very safe.
dangerous. It's not at all dangerous, and it's amazing. So this is one beach we have
This
been
is
to.
the
First beach.
we are visiting in Denmark.
Yeah. So if you go to some other beaches and if you'll find something different, we'll let you know. One thing that we see.
If you want us to go to some beach, please let us know.
Yeah, if you know that some beaches are some beaches so good, it's known for something, or just let us know in the comment. We'll try to go there. One thing is that there are certain rules here in the beaches. Music is not allowed after 10 p.m. Sorry, no music at all.
Amplifiers are not
Amplifiers and sound boxes are not allowed, and I don't see any shacks or loud music and all here. So I literally find it very much
calm and
peaceful.
And those who want to listen to music, they are listening with their headphones
Right.
or on their mobile phones.
Right, like especially we come to the beach to have calm. We want to be peaceful, and that's why we come to beaches. But there are people who come to beach for partying, like they want to go to shacks, they want to have food, they want to drink. So I don't think shacks, partying and drinking is the main agenda here in this beach at least.
You can have a drink, you can chill. There are shacks.
Yeah, there are restaurants and all, so you can go there, but it's not allowed on the beach. Yeah, and you have to be.
Your food. You can take your food.
Yeah.
You can have it and you can dispose it.
Yes.
There are dustbins.
Yeah, and one thing is you have to be quiet. I mean, no noise after 10 p.m.
Yeah.
That's strict, and I guess it's all over Denmark. There is this rule. Even in Germany, this rule was there, but I don't know.
And they have mentioned where all you have to take a dip, where all you should not go inside.
Yes, exactly. There are like signboards everywhere. You can get into water or not. So you have to be careful about that. Rest, we find it very good, calm, peaceful, and we are really enjoying the walk.
Like all are enjoying, all are chilling.
Yeah, and we are
The
really.
vibe is very good here.
Yes, and we are enjoying this walk around the harbor. If you see behind us here, so this is the Hellerup Haven. So Haven is harbor here. Yeah, like if you go to Copenhagen, it's called the New Haven. It's the new harbor. So this is the Hellerup Haven. Yeah, we liked it. Hope you guys liked it too. What about you?
Yes.
Yeah. So
We'll just show you this.
we'll show you the surroundings and then we'll wrap up the video. Yeah.
There is also a park behind this harbor where there are benches, you can sit, you can rest, and you can take a walk. And yeah, it's a nice place. There are flower gardens also is there in the beginning, in the entrance of the beach. So it's a good place. So I hope you all liked our video.
Yeah.
If so,
Make sure you
subscribe, like, comment, and please give your suggestions.
make sure you comment. We really want to know it. You can give us wrong bad feedbacks also, that's not a problem, but make sure you comment and let us know what you want to improve in our videos, and we'll surely do that. And we have seen many people requesting us to do videos in Malayalam. I mean, I understand that we are Malayalis, and there is this strong gut feeling within Malayalis that if they are Malayalis, why are they not doing videos in Malayalam? The thing is yeah
ഞാൻ പഠിച്ചതും വളർന്നതൊക്കെ തമിഴ്നാട്ടിലും കേരളത്തിലുമാണ്. ദീപു പഠിച്ചതും വളർന്നതൊക്കെ ബോംബെയിലും കേരളത്തിലല്ല ബോംബെയിലാണ്. സോ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് കുറേയൊക്കെ ഫ്രം ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ് എന്നാണ്. സോ ഇഫ് യു പുട്ട് എ വീഡിയോ ഇൻ മലയാളം then they'll find it difficult.
It won't reach to as many people as we intend to make it reach. So that's the reason.
We thought we'll do it in English.
Exactly. And that's why
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞൂടെ അല്ല, മലയാളം ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമാണ്, ചെയ്യാൻ ആഗ്രഹമുണ്ട്.
Exactly.
പക്ഷെ ഞങ്ങൾ ചെയ്ത വ്യൂസിലൊക്കെ കുറെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് വന്ന റിക്വസ്റ്റ്, നിങ്ങൾ മലയാളത്തിൽ ചെയ്താൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എങ്ങനെ മനസ്സിലാവും?
Yes. So actually we put out a video also in between that we are going to do our videos in Malayalam now, and but then we had comments in that video. Let's sit here now sometime. My hand is paining. Okay. So the thing is, when we put out that video, there were a lot of comments that why are you guys going to Malayalam and stuff. So like a lot of the subscribers, even though we have very less subscribers, it's around 2.5k, that's 2500 subscribers hardly. So most of them are non-Malayalis.
They are from north, they're from south.
And they are from outside India. So we actually, and since we have been in Europe also for a lot of time, there are many Europeans also, like people from Germany, Denmark and other European countries. Like we could see this in YouTube studio, from which geography the audience is. So it's mostly it's from India, but still it's from north. Because
there are from Kerala Malayalis കാണുന്നുണ്ട്, ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് കുറേ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്, ബട്ട് അതേഴ്സ് ആർ ഓൾ ലൈക്ക് സോ എല്ലാവരെയും കവർ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്, അല്ലാതെ ആരെയും ഞങ്ങൾ മലയാളിയായിട്ട് എന്തേ മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞില്ല അങ്ങനെയല്ല. ലൈക്ക് വി വോണ്ട് എവ്രി വൺ. ആകെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഉള്ള 2.5 സബ്സ്ക്രൈബേഴ്സ് ആണെങ്കിലും ഈച്ച് വൺ ഈസ് വാല്യൂബിൾ ഫോർ എസ്. ഈച്ച് ആൻഡ് എവ്രി വൺ ആർ വാല്യൂബിൾ ഫോർ എസ്. സോ അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്.
And Kerala is one of the most literate state in India. It's not one of the most, I guess it's the most. So people in Kerala obviously know English, I'm sure. So at least they can understand what we speak. I hope so. And it's already helpful for other people from all over India if we speak English. Whether it be from the north, west, east or south, it doesn't matter. So that's why we are doing our videos in English. Please don't mind. We'll continue doing our videos in English, and I hope you guys will support. So I hope you guys will support us in this venture.
So please keep supporting us, and please give your feedbacks. We are open for feedback.
And very soon we'll put out a video. Come here. First YouTube payment. We'll put out a video soon, and that will be something surprising for you all. Not very big, but it's something great for YouTubers. We'll let you know about that, and that's a surprise video. So this is about.
Stay tuned for that.
Yes.
Till our next video.
And many videos are coming up. We are now into cycling and all, so we'll put out more videos. I'll hold it. Hand is paining. So more videos coming up, and hope you guys are enjoying our journey. Thanks for supporting us all the way along, and hope you guys like this video about this Hellerup beach. Whenever you come to Denmark, do visit. I mean, you will visit, of course. So we are cycling. Stay safe, stay healthy. Until the next video,
it's bye from us.
Take care.